Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's cleaning video. We are doing a power hour speed clean with me, so I hope that this video can give you tons of cleaning motivation to tackle your mess this week. And so in this video I am showing you guys real life messes as well as the motivation to clean it up. So let's go ahead and do this together. Here is my before. As you can see, my house was trashed again as usual, and this is honestly just like accumulating. It's not like it's dirty, it just needs some loving to tidy up here. So again, I am showing you the before, and we are going to start off in my bedroom by making my bed first and foremost, as I feel like making the bed just gets you going for the day. So let's go ahead and do that right now.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass after.
Now that our bed is made, I am moving on to our bathroom. It needed a really good clean, so you'll see here there was dust like everywhere. So I'm just giving everything a nice wipe. I am using the Lysol as my Tiber River ran out, and honestly I was just too lazy to refill it as I had the Lysol handy, and so it was just good to give it a little Lysol and give it a wipe down. So that's what we're doing here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give our mirror a wipe. You will notice that I end up using a coffee filter, and I have shared this before, but honestly using a coffee filter to clean your mirrors and your windows leaves like literally zero streaks. I would highly recommend trying it out.
Might be easier just to let it go, cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Brianne, and I make tons of lifestyle, homemaking, and cleaning motivation here on my channel. So if you like that sort of content, make sure that you hit the red subscribe button before leaving today and give this video a thumbs up. I would love to have you join our growing YouTube family. Are you ready for a real life mess moment here? Look how dirty this light fixture was. Oh my goodness, you guys, like you can literally see the dust. It was so bad. So we're gonna go ahead and give that a nice wipe and get it all clean.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing.
So we have this tier tray, and I'm not really sure what to do with it in our house here. I had it on our island in our last house, but we don't have an island in the house that we're renting now. So I honestly think I'm just gonna store it for when we do decide to buy here. But for now, again, I think I'm just gonna store it, which is super unfortunate because I freaking love it. So moving on, we are about to tackle the kitchen and all of these dishes. So let's get to it.
We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
And so if you are new here and you don't know, I ended up just doing a kitchen makeover on a budget where I painted our entire kitchen. It was insane, the before. Make sure you go and check that video out if you haven't saw it. And I also painted our laminate countertops. So if that's something that interests you, I will have both of those videos linked in the description already. But I wanted to update you guys. So we are currently heading into week 3 here, which means our cure time is finally over. And I am very, very happy with how these counters have lasted over the last 2 weeks during that curing process, as I'm not always like the easiest on my counters, but I obviously was like super gentle on them, trying to be aware of what I'm putting on them, and when I'm cleaning the sink using, you know, chemicals and stuff, just making sure that it's not going on the counters, and they are looking so good. So just wanted to kind of update you guys on the countertops. If you've been thinking of using the Gianni countertop paint kit, I would highly, highly recommend it.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you and me so close.
So I also wanted to hop on here and ask you guys a question. Let me know in the comment section if you are currently renting or if you own a house. I would love to know, as we are both. We actually own a house across the country, and we are currently renting the house that we are in right now, as we haven't found our forever home. And so yeah, that's just kind of our story. But I'd love to know in the comments if you're currently renting or if you own a house.
You wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on?
So I have seen some people do this, so I just wanted to clean my sink and then add in some peppermint oil to make it smell good. I really wanted to use lemon, but I don't have lemon apparently. I only have orange, but I'm really happy with the peppermint. Peppermint is also supposed to keep insects and spiders and bugs away. And if you are new here, you wouldn't know, but we have, I swear to God, like the worst bugs in this house. It's so gross in the summer, and I have shared it over on my Instagram as well, but there's always spiders, and I'm always trying to get rid of them, and I find that the peppermint oil helps tremendously. Here is another real life moment. Look at this stove. Oh my goodness. And wait till you see this, you guys, but I do have an extreme clean video coming up on my channel, so make sure that you are subscribed and you have your bell turned on so you are notified when I do post that video. But I will be deep cleaning my stove in that video, and I'm really excited to share that process with you guys.
You wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind.
Alright, now that the kitchen is all clean, we are moving on to the main living area. I am running out of time now, so I do like to keep my power hours literally to an hour, so this was timed, and I am starting to run out of time now, so I am just trying to really quickly give the dining room table a nice wipe, and I really want to get a vacuum in, so make sure that you stay watching for all the cleaning motivation.
Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
was on my control.
Alright guys, so now that the living room is cleaned up, my power hour is almost over. So we are going to really quickly vacuum up the main living space here, starting in the living room and moving on to the kitchen. I am currently using my Dyson vacuum, which I do love, and y'all know I have a robot vacuum as well, but one thing I don't have is like a really good mop. So I have been contemplating on like what to get. If any of you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. And I would also love to know what vacuum you use. We have had this vacuum for, I swear to God, like 8 years. It has been a while, but again, I do like it. It does the job and it picks up our dog hair really well, and so does our robot vacuum. And if you're wondering what those hangers and stuff are for, I just finished doing my master bedroom closet reorganization and declutter, and that'll be up on my channel coming up really soon as well. So again, if you haven't already, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family and hit the bell notification so you are notified when I do post new videos. And I'd love to know in the comment section if you want more organization videos or if you just want me to stick to the cleaning, if you prefer those. So let me know in the comments and I will be sure to get back to you, as I truly value your guys' feedback.
Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Stripping down the middle. I'm stripping down the middle. I'm stripping down the middle. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. Inside myself, I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless.
Thank you so much for watching today's Power Hour speed clean with me. If this gave you a lot of cleaning motivation, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.